Khadija 3 Compartment Toolbox. Khadija 3 Compartment Toolbox is the best tool storage solution for your tools. The box dimensions are: length is 17.6 inches, width is 8 inches, and height is 8.5 inches. The toolbox has double handles for strong and ergonomic grip. Weight of toolbox is 3 kilograms for any kind of use. Powder coated paint is used for rust resistance. The box is made of strong iron sheets, provides enough space to accommodate your existing tools, and allows for future addition. 3 spacious compartments for home and professional use. It can store up to 45 kgs of weight. The box is ideal for storing wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, hammers, drill and drill machine. Engineered for versatility, this toolbox accommodates a broad spectrum of applications. Whether you're a carpenter, electrician, plumber, or simply require a reliable storage solution for your tools,